What is up? What is up?
Saw your bags packed by the door, then helped you load 'em in that 99 Ford. Tears were streaming from your eyes when you turned around and whispered goodbye. I could have put my truck in drive, caught up with you and changed your mind, but as long as Kentucky's making bourbon,
Look at gold ripping.
back is back in old Tennessee. Ain't too far gone if there's Cuervo down in Dallas, waiting on a broken heart like me. I watched those goodbye tail lights fading on out of town, but as long as there's a bottle of something somewhere around,
What's good, y'all?
chase you down. I'll find a bar and I'll find a stool. I'll find a bottle I can crawl into. About the time that bottle's empty, you reappear sitting right here with me, and I'll stay till closing time. Don't worry about me, I'll be fine. But as long as Kentucky's making bourbon, Jack is back in
All right, guys. All right, guys. We're good to go now.
ain't too far.
Yeah, welcome in. Welcome in. How y'all doing, man? You trade mostly mornings? No, it's just been the play. All right. Yeah, markets are moving. Gold just got a nice clean 10-point breakout of the range on the 15-minute. Let's see, NQ. I mean, we got to start talking about the possibility of gold actually coming back into the all-time highs. We have next major resistance levels up there in the 70s, but I mean, at that point, that's kind of a deep retracement at that point. I would be looking probably more to the long side. It's just, yeah, we're pretty extended here, but gold's a beast. Gold's a beast. We're level at 50. We're out above the gap too. Let's take a look. Wow, NQ's on a deep pullback, no cap. Yeah, we had a very weak close. I was kind of looking for some follow through on NQ. 210 is the current high. See if we can get some trades going. Oh, gold's still moving. Let's pull up the tick chart. I had some fun on the tick chart today, I'm not gonna lie.
Empty suitcase on the floor. She asked how long I'm leaving for. I said, darling,
Current high is 41 on gold.
working keeps me on the road. Teardrops falling from her eyes.
Yeah, dude, I was talking to the Bolinox support team, and they said, I think they said the profit target on this account is $6,000 bucks. There's no way though, right? Like all you gotta do is get to 6,000, and I think you can take a payout. I think I heard her correct. All right, look at gold backing off 41. Or you drink it just like a sparkling water. It's pretty good.
I pray one day you will see. To love you more, I set you free. You'll lay next to him one night. Realize
Making lower highs here. Trying to push down through the trend line break. See some exhaustion at 87. How much was PA fees? Are you talking about the activation fee?
we begin to realize that I can never be everything that woman needs. Baby, please let me love you more.
I really enjoyed trying to scout. Like, this isn't the usual way I trade, but I really enjoyed trying to get in like on the tick chart, honestly, and have pretty tight stops. Like, I don't know if I want to see him having success doing it, but it's been nice. I'm not gonna lie. Like, to kind of take a pullback here, and then yeah, on the tick chart, I've been enjoying the tick chart. Wow, nice. I gotta be honest, I didn't really see a breakout on this. I mean, I knew we were flagging up, you know, but I didn't see that. I don't. It's a nice leg up, though. I'm interested in NQ possibly rolling over here, sub 200s.
Monday morning Merle, don't worry about the girl he used to love. Tuesdays, throwback Springsteen, devils and dust. Wednesday spins the Beatles, Thursday is the Eagles.
It's screaming sell. I mean, I could try it with like, I would need at least 40 points out of it because I'd have to sell it. I would have to sell it off against this high above 230. So if I did take it, I need to target at least 40, but it might leave without me.
Here we arguing, Monday morning Merle. Monday morning Merle, let's that old broken heart get back to work.
Bow, 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 bow. Yeah, man, check these Bolinox accounts out. The big boys. The big boys. 250k funded. Enormous hat collection? No, man. Honestly, I need way more hats. I need way more hats. Y'all have some good hat companies sending my way. I ordered a couple from this company, and their customer service is just so bad. Like, they're a decent little company. They have good hats, but God, their customer service was horrible. Horrible. They're like, I paid for express shipping, and then I waited 2 weeks, heard nothing from them. Then I had to email them, like, what's up? I paid for 2-day shipping. It's been a week and a half, 2 weeks. What's going on? And they're like, oh, we're having issues with the address. I'm like, why am I having to reach out to you to tell me you're having issues with the shipping address? You know, and I just felt like every problem I had to reach out to them, and I didn't hear shit back from them, and I probably wouldn't have heard shit back from them unless I, you know what I mean, reached out to them. But they just refused to ship the order, because I don't know how long that order would have just sat there. And then they finally ship it. I get 2 out of 3 of the hats I paid for. No apologies from them. Once again, they didn't mention that a hat's missing. I had to reach back out to them after I had already waited 2 weeks for the fucking hats. Oh my god, I was fuming. I had the audacity to ask for a free hat. And they didn't give me a fucking free hat either. After not sending me one of the hats I bought and delaying it 2.5 weeks. When I paid for 2-day shipping. Like, come on, bro. Bullshit. Bullshit. That was my little rant, though. I don't even want to rep their hats, but they're kind of clean, though. But at the same time, man, they did me dirty. Their customer service is just not it. Top Step allow you to trade at these hours. Yeah, man, it's they do, and it's just because it's a futures firm and futures trade pretty much every hour. So yeah, you can definitely trade these hours. And now if they were just like an equities firm or an equities broker, maybe not. Look at NQ coming down here on the hourly. That's the 50k top step, attaboy. Nice, man. Nice. Hell yeah. Are you trading it tonight then, or you just passed it just now? I might try to play some of the retracement on gold. I'm just kind of being patient with it. It's not a ton of opportunity. I was eyeing up a possible NQ short, but I only really wanted to take it, you know, up above 200, and I didn't really get it. So now, I don't know. I'll let it build some more structure. Gold backing off 43 here. For how long? Remember against scalping? Scalping is a form of day trading. No, scalping is probably not the best setup. But I mean, it works for some people. I do okay scalping sometimes. I think if you see a setup, you know, that is favorable to scalp, just scalp, you know. But you can scalp and then also take trades with a little longer hold time, and you can still scalp here and there if you see a setup for it, and nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that. Took me 4 days to get a drawn on the first combine. They take a little more size to pass it. Well, you're at a drawdown, man. That's the battle. Like, kind of interested in trying to fade gold. I know we have some resistance up there in the mid 50s, but it's got to show me something first. Like that, we marked that level out. I mean, that's another 15 points if we can get it up there. But that's kind of your next level. What does a trend line look like on the hourly? I think we're still a good bit off of it. Yeah, trend line would, yeah, up in the 70s there. We might see gold back into all-time highs though on a real one. What contract size would you recommend with the 50K? Are you talking about in a combine or in a funded stage? Funded, yeah, 5 to 15 micros, man, to make you can make $1,000 on 5 to 15 micros with a couple setups a day, you know, 2-3 setups a day. You can make 5 to 15 micros is probably perfect. I know y'all were talking about Bitcoin earlier. What's Bitcoin doing now? Okay, Bitcoin trying to put a high up there. Putting a series of wicks up there above that 110 level. 111's the high. It's the daily. Wow. Wow, Bitcoin's back to all-time highs. Holy shit. Did we just... I mean, if any of these markets are going to be long, it's got to be Bitcoin, right? Holy. Bitcoin's back to all-time highs. Nobody's talking about it. Wow. Wow. I mean, if back into all-time highs off of with this structure would be, yeah, holy shit, I might become a Bitcoin trader for the next week or two. This is just a very, very desirable market to take long. I mean, look at that. This is what you only see this in just very strong markets. I remember gold would act like this when we were running all-time highs. It's just like euphoric buying. Like we get just a massive move down and then rips back up. Now we're back to the highs. That's just how trending markets work. They just go. What's good, Gator? We were on the Top Step stream. They caught a nice trade in gold. Jay caught a nice trade in gold. I saw that. Yeah, no, this is Bitcoin right here. I'm looking at Bitcoin. It looks amazing. It looks amazing. It looks amazing. We're just flagging out right here. We are back into the all-time highs. I think I'm really going to start looking at taking Bitcoin long this next week and a week and a half. Maybe look for all-time high continuation, all-time high break. I love trading trending markets. Let's see. How much is a point? Oh, we're into the wicks on the hourly. This thing, yeah, no, this looks good. How much is a... Wait, do they have full-size Bitcoin? They don't. They only have micros. Okay. I don't really know the value of a micro Bitcoin contract. Hell yeah. Everybody should be trading Bitcoin. Everybody should be trading Bitcoin. Wow. I need to start trading Bitcoin. Does Bitcoin like to break out in Asia? Do we have any crypto futures traders? Like, does Bitcoin like to break out in this session? I'm not sure. I'm not sure. We have equal lows down here that we bounced off of. Yeah. I would like to see Bitcoin show a lot of strong continuation through 111. See if we can try to get into a pullback. 50 cents for every 5 points. Okay, and what's the spread? The spread is 20 points? 30 points? 20, 25, 30 points? Okay. Her top one going down. I don't know about that. Where'd you hear that one? I'm kind of interested to see if Bitcoin wants to set up. If I can get a good read on like an hourly candle, I might try to take it long. Just a strong market. Why is nobody talking about this? Why is nobody talking about this? I'll check back in on that in a sec. NQ just looks so bad. A little bit interested in trying Bitcoin long off of this support level here, off of that 110 support. I might throw some type of position on here as a little starter. I've never really traded Bitcoin futures, but it's placing 5 MBT undefined. What does that mean? What the fuck's going on? What the fuck's... Do y'all see the fucking, like... Okay. How liquid is this market? I don't know. Okay. Let's put a starter on and just try to ride that. Try to ride that trend continuation through the highs. Off the support off 110. Let's see. All right. Didn't think you traded it? I don't really trade it. But I mean, it's pushing at all-time highs. I love trading the setups like this and just taking longs into the all-time highs. I like that. Yep. Just a small position. I've never really traded it. Just got 5 micros on it. Putting in support at 110. I would like to see this just show continuation. I know it's a high entry, but this is a trending market. And we are tucked right into that all-time high level. So I would love to see a nice breakout. I would be very interested in just playing Bitcoin long this week and the next week. I might have to... I have Bitcoin on Top Step. Sick. Okay. I'm going to be buying Bitcoin dips. Is what I'm going to be doing. That's my strat. Like, full-fledged, that's my strat. I'm definitely going to take what's the word I'm looking for? Take responsibility for the Bitcoin run-up. I don't have a code for my funded futures, man, unfortunately. I think they have some deals going on this week, like a free resets. I'm gonna type it out for you. This isn't my affiliate link, but I believe this is the right code. You'll need to make sure. If you go and use that on any of the evals, it doesn't give you a price discount, but it does give you a free reset if you blow up. So it's essentially the same as like 50% off, I guess. Buy one, get one if you blow it up. You know, buy one, get one if you blow it up. You get another one. And you get a free reset. That code's for my funded futures, guys. That's not my affiliate link, but... Well, we're in Bitcoin tonight. NQ legging down lower. 160s coming into play. Would have been a nice short if you could get it off 200. I was really interested in it here. I just didn't pull on it. Didn't pull it. Bitcoin right now seems like a stronger market than gold does, to be honest with you. And gold looks great, but I think if I had to choose, I'd rather be long Bitcoin, to be honest. Fucking Bitcoin. We move a little slower here, though, for sure. Tick for tick, we definitely move slower.
Order rejected. Order rejected.
Thought our tab was open, guess I ought to close it. When I get to the house, you know what I'll crack open.
Maybe I can't trade Bitcoin.
Another six pack to put her in the back of my mind. And them old neon lights. She'll be glad.
I'm waiting for the dip buyers here on gold, or on Bitcoin. What is NBT? It's micro Bitcoin futures. NQ flushing away into the 50s. Yep.
Order filled.
I'm trying to get filled up on these accounts here. Look at NQ, bouncing off 56. Gold's getting a pullback. Can I ride gold through 37 on this pullback?
Order filled.
Let's see. I want to ride this through 37 on a pullback. Looking for a quick flush. Bitcoin's looking to ride. I don't know why I can't trade Bitcoin on my Top Step account. Alright, I'll try to scalp this through 37, this recent low. Yeah, I'm trying to attack this low 37. Bitcoin trying to turn up off VWAP. Yeah, Bitcoin looks insane. I'm not gonna lie. Bitcoin looks insane. It's just moving. I wish I could trade it on this account. I don't.
Order rejected.
Max clip size. What exchange is Bitcoin futures on? Anybody know? What exchange are they on? Bitcoin CME, isn't it? I might have to contact Top Step, the risk team, and tell them I want to trade Bitcoin. I want to trade Bitcoin. 37.1's the low. I'm looking at sweep here. It's CME, isn't it? Ugh. I want to be trading Bitcoin this week. It's the best market right now, in my opinion, to trade. That's what I want to trade this week. So I'm gonna have to figure out how to get that on my order's not going through on it.
Order filled.
Oh, fuck me. There goes gold. Attaboy. Nice. Good shit. Thought we'd get a pullback through 37. Honestly, that wasn't a great trade, but I don't know. I wasn't able to place a trade, and I was honestly like, what the fuck's going on? I kind of wanted to throw a trade on just to see if I could place a trade. But yeah, Bitcoin wasn't working. It's still not working.
Order rejected.
Max clip size. I don't know why. Why can I trade that? That's weird. I mean, it's a live account, so. Because I'm going to want to trade Bitcoin on a real one. I'm going to have to wait till tomorrow morning, I guess. What other crypto there's... Can I hit it? Can I make it? Can I hit the bid on an Ethereum trade? What? Holy shit. Wait, no, I have delayed data on this. Or something. Look at the order book at 586 and we're trading at 5. Yeah, I have delayed data on this. Do I?
Order filled.
Oh, I can trade Ethereum. I just can't trade Bitcoin. What is happening? Holy shit. Look at this breakout on Ethereum. Yup. Let me, wow, Ethereum looks amazing. Definitely doesn't match Bitcoin's strength, but as long as Bitcoin stays strong, it should push Ethereum higher too. I think I want to take this breakout trade on Ethereum. Look at these equal highs. And stop it out under what, like 520?
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Oh my god, there's no risk at all on this shit, man. I'm figuring out how to trade crypto futures here.
Order filled.
$70 risk? And there's no mini contracts, so I can only trade 15 micro. Wow, it's very small risk. Okay. Alright, cool. Anyways. I can't full port. I can only take 15 micros max. I wish I could trade Bitcoin, but I can't. Tell you what. I'll do this for you. I'll add some size on these accounts here if I can.
He was sitting on a bar stool drinking Bud Heavy at a tabletop after work. Didn't have to ask his name 'cause I knew it already.
Wow, so I can only take micro Ethereum on Top Step. If I could take micro Bitcoin, I would be very happy.
Order rejected.
Max clip size. What the fuck does that mean? Maybe I can ask the Discord chat. Let me ask the Top Step Discord. Maybe a mod. I doubt a mod can help me, but let me see. I'm sure it's something that's gonna have to get looked at. You're in micro? Yeah, it's got to be something with the live account. I really wish I could get into that on my live account.
Order rejected.
What the fuck? This is like one of the best setups I've seen this week. No, it's not anything to do with this. No, I've got plenty of size to use. It's saying max clip size? No, it's not a contract thing, guys. I was flat before I even put this order in. I doubt I'm gonna get an answer. Yeah, if we don't see a strong bounce on this trend line, I might fade it, fade the small bounce maybe. This is one of the better setups I've seen in any of the markets, and it's kind of gone in the background. Like Bitcoin is just blasting. This is the market I really want to be taking long and just ride the trend, but I can't even trade it on my fucking live account, man. The fuck?
Order rejected.
Ugh. Why is nobody in the Top Step Discord responding right now? Dude, nobody, dude, the Top Step Discord is now a ghost town or some shit. Everybody in there is always chat, but as soon as I comment something, nobody's in there. I don't get it. I don't get it. The fuck? No, it's not got anything to do with the contracts. I was flat when I first hit the bid. It's not got to do with that. Plus, if it did have to do with that, it would say max position exceeded. It's not saying that. It's saying max clip size. Which is very upsetting. This is a fucking beautiful setup. This is like a very, very high probability long for me. That I would love to just get in this bitch. I've got the data. It's on the CME exchange. It's... Wow, the Discord is a true ghost town all of a sudden. What the fuck? I'm a little... not frustrated, but like this is a very good setup for me that I would love to get into with more than fucking...
Order rejected.
See, now it says max position size because I can't go more than 15 micros. And there's no mini crypto. I've never seen the Top Step Discord so dead though on a real one. Wow, you can't trade Bitcoin either. What the hell's happening, man? It's too good of a setup. It's too good of a setup and they don't want us trading it. It must be that. Because it really is such a great setup. And I can't get on it. The most risk I can take is micro Ethereum, which is like 50 cents a tick or like 50 cents a point. It's too good of a setup.
This brokenness inside me might start healing. Out here it's like I'm someone else. I thought that maybe I could find my...
I have a phone number for Top Step. I don't know if they'll pick up right now, but my broker would pick up right now, so I'm gonna try out their phone number. I doubt anybody's working it right now, but my futures broker would pick up the phone right now. They stay open like around the clock, so I'm not sure if Top Step will, but we'll see.
I thought if I could touch this place or feel it, this brokenness inside me might start healing. Out here it's like I'm someone else. I thought that maybe I could find myself. If I could walk around, I swear I'll leave. Won't take nothing but a memory. building a house that built me.
I didn't think they would answer, but my futures broker would answer, and we got money on the line, and it feels like they should be answering the phone on that call, but they should have at least a couple people on the phones right here at this time of night. They really should. It's all good. Yeah, I know their hours, but they should still have a couple people. They should still have a couple people on the phones. That's the there's a phone number exclusively for live traders. That's the number I called. They should be picking up the phone. They just should be. My broker has a 24-hour line. You know, because you're trading. This is futures. You're trading 24 hours. You know? Yeah, I didn't think that trend line was gonna hold. There's a lot of weight on the back end of that. That's a nice move. I don't know. I feel like they should have somebody working the phones, even at night. Even at night. I'm really only interested in Bitcoin, chat. We're back into the all-time highs. It looks awesome. I just want to stay long in Bitcoin. This is my safe space. I want to go long in Bitcoin right here. This is where I have confidence right here. Yeah, I'm gonna call the risk team tomorrow and figure out why the hell I can't trade micro Bitcoin.
Order rejected.
What the fuck is a clip size? Like, what even is that? I don't see anything about it.
How not to make the easy things so hard to do. I bet that I'd be further down this road.
Yeah, y'all can trade it on the fundeds, but I cannot trade it. Top Step's not even on live anymore. Damn, I don't know. I really wish I could trade that, man. I wish I could get long on my Top Step account in fucking micro Bitcoin. That's what I wish I could do. Why can I not do that? Right here. Why can I not trade this? That is the updated contract, correct? Yeah, it is.
Order rejected.
So far I've been good at burning bridges.
Oh well.
Strike a match and ride out of town.
No, it's not the maximum number of contracts, man.
Bless your heart for never trying to fix
Let me just prove a fucking point to y'all real quick.
with me.
Wow, I just moved the market down right there on the fucking exit. I just got killed by slippage. Okay, look.
Order rejected.
You see what I mean?
Order rejected.
It's not that, man. It's not that.
Order rejected. Order rejected. Order rejected. Order rejected.
All in gypsy. I guess all I'm saying is forgive me if I don't know what I'm doing.
Order filled.
I'm still learning to be.
You know what I mean? It's not that. That would say max position size exceeded.
All the highways playing outlaw.
See? I already closed the micro Ethereum and then I tried to open Bitcoin. It won't let me.
Breaks off. All them crazy
Fuck!
and the whiskey
Man.
breaking up in one.
This is one of the nicest setups I've seen this week, too.
Oh, forgive me. I really don't know what I'm doing. 'Cause I'm still learning to be human. Still learning to be human.
See, like, this is... I've never been so confident about a trade. And so the fact that I can't open my fucking Bitcoin longs right here is killing me. It's killing me. You're killing me, Smalls.
Order rejected.
It's just too good looking of a market, man. They don't want me trading it long. I don't know what's going on.
I ain't saying that I ain't met no one else. Done a little bit of midnight moving on. And I ain't saying when I do that it don't help. Leave for someone I don't know her name. Pull her real close, but I leave
I'm not getting a fucking answer from these guys either. That's okay.
you, girl, for good. Even though I should, I never let my heart go all the way. Every time I try, I just hit the brakes. And there's always a couple trying to take your place. But I never fall in love, baby, just in case. You wake up wanting me out of the blue. You lay down needing what I used to do. Every now and then I go get a taste. But I never
I've got nothing open, guys. It's so unrelated to position size. It's not that. If anybody can, you know, figure out what max clip size means, we might make some progress. But I don't know. I guess I'm just over it at this point. I'll call him tomorrow and chew him out. I don't know.
hoping you'll come back to us. That's wishful thinking, baby, honestly. But I know you ain't forgotten me. So I never let my heart go all the way. Every time I try, I just hit the brakes. And there's always a couple trying to take your place. But I never fall in love, baby, just in case. You wake up wanting me out of the blue. You lay down needing what I used to do. Every now and then I go get a taste. But I never fall in love, baby, just in
It doesn't say anything about it, man. I don't. Yeah, I've never heard of it.
know her name. Pull her real close, but I leave some space. Yeah, I could have 3 words on my tongue, but I won't ever say them, 'cause I never let my heart go all the way. Every time I try, I just hit the brakes. And there's always a couple trying to take your place. But I never fall in love, baby, just in case. You wake up wanting me out of the blue.
Order rejected.
Lay down needing what I used to do. Every now and then I go get a taste. But I never fall in love, baby, just in case. Just in case.
They're gonna hear it from me, chat. They're gonna hear it from me, bro. They're gonna hear it from me. Exceeding the allowed number of contracts. But guys, that's not it. That's not it. That's max position size exceeded, like
Order
this.
rejected.
Max position of 15 exceeded. That's what that is. I don't know, man.
I can't remember the last time you looked as happy as you did tonight. Your tipsy friend grabbed that bartender, gave him a phone and pulled us over there with her. He counted to 3, and baby, I haven't seen a side of you in forever. And I hate it's the truth, but baby, you never do when we're alone.
If I didn't have the data for it, yep. If I didn't have the data for it, they wouldn't let me trade it. It wouldn't pop up on my list. That's how this works. I have the data. I have the CME. I have CME data. I have COMEX data. That's what I have. I don't have crude, for example. I don't have crude. I didn't pay for the data for crude. If it pops up, I have the data for it.
Order rejected.
It's very frustrating because I feel like this is like one of the most confident trades I've had in a while. And I'm missing it because I can't get into my fucking trade. Instead, I'm going to have to settle for a breakout on 15 micros of Ethereum that's going to pay me a lump sum $20 if it breaks out. Meanwhile, I've got these running into the 300s, looking to break into all-time highs, and I can't take any profit from this. They don't allow you to trade everything in CME? That's wild. I don't know about that. I don't know about that, man. I'm paying for data and not getting the full I don't know about that. We'd have to check in on that. I don't know if that's accurate. Yeah, it's not about that, chat, and that's not true either. I could trade copper and gold, so why can't I trade Bitcoin and Ethereum? It's not that. It's literally some bullshit is what it is. I don't know what it is, but it's not that. Plus, I was flat on Ethereum and then tried to open a fresh Bitcoin and it still didn't work, so.
It goes down smooth. Put you in a good mood.
Permitted. Well, this guy wasn't capping, huh? But what's Ethereum? MBT. Well, what's Ethereum's? MET. MET. See, I don't see MET on here either, but I'm in an Ethereum trade. You know, I'm in an Ethereum trade right here. So how do we explain that? How do we explain that one? When I'm in an Ethereum trade. I see that, but I'm in an Ethereum trade and that says it's not permitted either.
When you're mowing the yard, working on baby's car, getting your honky tonk on to a steel guitar. And if you're casting a line,
They don't even have mini Bitcoin. This is, yeah, I'm a little frustrated with that. I'm missing out on $300-$400 trade here.
long as it ends in a wine, a beer for breakfast, a beer for lunch, beer for supper. It just ain't enough. Makes a mighty good nightcap when your day's been rough.
I'm not even going to get into profit because Ethereum's just worth nothing. It's worth nothing. It's worth nothing.
Order rejected.
With fighting and loving, beats anything you can cook in an oven. Beer for breakfast.
It's all I want to trade, really. It's all I'm interested in. It's all I'm interested in. This is literally one of the best setups I've seen, and I'm very, very excited to trade it. And I can't trade it in the one account that I really want to trade it in. I have the CME bundle, man, and the CME micro Bitcoin futures are traded under the CME exchange, and I have the CME data, so I should have it. Gold looks similar. No, I don't like gold as much. It's just so. I mean, gold doesn't look bad, but I like Bitcoin a hell of a lot more. I like Bitcoin a hell of a lot more.
You say I'll never change, just to go around town with some gasoline, just trying to bomb a flame, gonna burn the whole place down. Then how do you explain ever falling in love with a guy like me in the first place?
You know, trading Bullinox. I've got it on the Bullinox account right here. We're long Bitcoin.
Guess I'm the problem, and your miss never
Yeah, Bullinox has let me trade it.
so awful.
I don't know what I don't know why they wouldn't let me trade it.
And if it's the whiskey,
It's a little crazy.
keep on pulling it off the shelf. You hate it when you look at me, you halfway see yourself, and it got me thinking, if I'm the problem, but you might be the reason.
Meow, 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 meow.
Separate ways, and we're back and forth like a swinging door into Mars like yesterday. Some days better than the
It's too solid. It's too good of a market. They don't want us trading it. It is too strong of a market. That's as simple as it gets. It's the only excuse I can come up with. Not able to trade micro Bitcoin futures. Come on. Got 25% consistency, and I've got the profit target on top one. Yeah, brother, you gotta keep trading until you get that down. Seems like you're close, though. Stay level-headed. You feel me? Yeah, I mean, y'all can trade it. There's not really a lot of restrictions on the Combine, but of course, as soon as I want to trade this thing on my live account, I can't. Well, we're gonna have a nice little winning trade and take our ass to bed, chat. I mean, that's obviously nice. But this live account's just, it's a bit of a headache. I'm on a little bit of a losing streak, and for me to get on here and see a really good setup tonight and be kind of excited to get into a trade on it and not be able to take it is a little annoying. Already frustrated enough. You know, this is one that I was like just very nothing's for sure, but fuck, was I confident in this trade? Okay, let's see the run up through 111. I'll have a little phone call with the Top Step team. Probably won't amount to much, but I gotta let it be known I'm a little frustrated with that. But if it comes down to, look, you can't trade it, and that's the truth, and suck it up, Buttercup, then I guess that's fine. But I don't know why I'm able to trade Ethereum and not Bitcoin. Nah, you don't pay nothing for a live account, man. Oh, you gotta pay data fees. Yeah, I'm looking for a clean breakout here on Bitcoin. I'm looking for a clean breakout on Bitcoin.
We both got our reasons, no reason to share them. Let's just dance, hold me closer to you.
I might not even close this trade tonight. This might be one that just runs all night. This might be one that runs all night. Yeah, I've already tried that. I appreciate you though. I already tried one con on that. Well, I'm glad I could at least get on and, you know, get a winning trade, and that feels good, I guess. Yeah, 20 bucks. 20 bucks. With the fucking Ethereum. I think this shit's worth like a penny a point.
Some things are best left alone. So just kiss me
Again. Like this never ends. There's no point waiting at home. Tell me you love me. We might have a runner here, chat. I'm not gonna lie to you. We might have a fucking runner. I will wanted. Pretend. If you'll pretend to. We might have a runner. We might have a runner. Runner. Hey, guys. Does somebody want to go do some research for me? The Bolinox 250K master account. What's the profit target to the first payout? I got an email from this. So I was talking to somebody on support, and they said the profit target on this account is 6,000. Here we go. Hopefully you guys are in this. Yeah, man. Just go type in Zach Top Mix on YouTube and just let it shuffle. You'll hit some bangers on the playlist. Big trade on Bitcoin back into the all-time highs. Easy work. I think just leave it. I think maybe trim a little bit, but just leave this bad boy. Wake up tomorrow to fresh all-time highs. And I'm not there. So say some stranger, I pour myself a drink. I might trade Bitcoin this entire week, guys. I'm not gonna lie. It's so good. It's so good. Just buy the dip market, all-time highs. Not that hard. Sooner you realize that it's so easy to make money in trading markets when you just buy the fucking dip. Sometimes I'm so stubborn about it, but if you can identify it, man, just buy the dip. Nope, I got Top Step, man. I'm a little annoyed that I can't trade Bitcoin futures on it right now, but I'm still trading it. Stop her from doing me wrong. She's acting single, I'm drinking double. I hide my pain, I drown my trouble. My heart is breaking. Bowser, are you bearish on Bitcoin? Are you bearish on Bitcoin? I don't really trade it either, but when I see a good setup, I take a good setup, you know. I'll probably be buying the Bitcoin dip all week. Is it already 9 p.m.? How? That's not that big of a pullback. We're on the tick chart. I don't think it's that big of a pullback. Either way, I'm gonna keep dip buying with tight stops and until we break out. Whether it's now or later, I'm gonna keep dip buying it. Take it easy, Zen. Not much to this one. I'm just holding Bitcoin longs for a break to the all-time highs. Not much to it. Just chilling out. Chilling out. This is the account I passed today right here. Yeah. At the bell. Ding, 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 ding. Got him. She's fresh. She's a fresh one. How many days did it take you to pass the top step? 2. I rushed it. Just 2. Gold's pushing. Okay, let's see. A little bit. Gold and Bitcoin rallying. Pretty interesting. That doesn't usually happen, does it? Yeah, we do. Yeah, we do. What is the actual number? What's the actual all-time highs here? Okay, yeah. All-time highs here on Bitcoin is 112. We're only 2,000 off. That ain't nothing. That ain't nothing. I'm just gonna keep getting long every chance I get with tight stops and just let it work. And just be patient. What's copper doing? Anybody trade copper? Ugh, yucky. Couldn't get any closer.
To the left, one to the right, millions of
Order
thoughts are
filled.
spinning through my mind like how many nights has she done this before, and am I the one
Order
that she's
rejected.
been looking for?
Do they have a scaling plan on this fucking master account, man?
Order filled.
Okay, they do. They have a scaling plan. All right, cool. Pretty quiet night. This is, for me, this is my most favorite setup that I've seen tonight. Whether we get the run up now or later, I'm probably going to be dip buying it all night, to be honest. Up 470, nice, bro. Nice, nice, nice. I don't know if this is gonna play out right here. I'm gonna let it run. It's pretty slow market, so I'm gonna dip off. I'll be back in the morning. Y'all know where to find me. I'm gonna let this play out. If it gets breaky, I'll probably enter it again if I can get a better entry. Just let it run. Tight stops. Keep trying it, honestly. But I feel pretty good about that long and all-time highs. All right, I'll catch y'all tomorrow morning.